So in this lesson, we are going to learn how to compare mass in units, right? We learned that each block stands for 1 unit, right? So let's count how many units of block that we have. So on the right hand side, we see that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? There are a total of 7 blocks. Now, if each block stands for 1 unit, 7 blocks stand for 7 units, right? Now, so we also have a box of cereal on the left hand side, right? On the left pan, we have a box of cereal. On the right pan, we have 7 blocks or 7 units. What do we realize here? Right? What can we say? We can say that since the scale is balanced, it does not go up and it does not go down, so it's balanced. So we can say that the mass of the cereal equals the mass of the blocks, right? So we can say the mass of the box of cereal is 7 units. Let's move on to the second one. Second case, we have a flour here, right? A packet of flour. And we have, how many blocks do we have? Well, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have a total of 12 blocks, right? And since we know that each block stands for 1 unit, 12 blocks stands for 12 units, right? And we can say that, of course, this case is the same as this case, right? Where the balance does not go up or down, right? It shows that the objects on both sides equal in mass, right? The flour is not heavier than the block, so it doesn't go this way, and the block is not heavier than the flour, so it doesn't go this way, right? So they have both the same mass, so the balance remains straight, right? It remains straight. We can say that the masses, right, they are equal. What can we say between flour and cereal? Which one is heavier? Obviously, flour is heavier, right? If the mass of the box of cereal is 7 units and the mass of the packet of flour is 12 units, which one is heavier? Of course, it is the mass of the packet of flour, because the mass of the packet of flour is 12 units, and we know that 12 units is greater than 7 units, right? So we can say that, so the packet of flour is heavier than the box of cereal. Now let us look at the last case, right? The last case, we have washing detergent. We have a washing detergent here. And we need to count, of course, how many blocks we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 blocks. So we can say that on the right pan, we have 12 units. So now, 12 units or 12 blocks. So now, this case is, of course, different than this case and this case, right? The reason this case is different from this case and this case is because the balance goes down this way. The balance goes down this way. It tilts to the left. Because the washing detergent is heavier than the 12 blocks, right? It pushes the pan on the left down this way, right? What can we say? We can say that the box of washing detergent, this one, right, is heavier than 12 units, right? So what can we conclude here? Right? We can say that the box of washing detergent, this one, the box of washing detergent, is heavier than the packet of flour and the box of cereal, right? The reason the box of washing detergent is heavier than the packet of flour and the box of cereal is because the box of washing detergent is heavier than 12 units, right? This is only 12 units. This one is 7 units. The box of cereal is only 7 units, right? The packet of flour is only 12 units, but the box of washing detergent is greater than 12 units, right? It's heavier than 12 units. So the washing detergent is the heaviest of all, right? So it is the heaviest.